In this video, I want to introduce you to a couple of my work partners here in my little workshop. This is called the Virutex hand edge planer. It's for when you put edge banding on a shelf or a door or whatever, and you want to trim the excess off. Well, then that's what this is for, double-sided. And then the other partner here is the Virutx end snipper, so it snips off the end exactly even, so everything's really nice. I like these tools a lot. Now, they're not, I mean, they're a little messy looking. They've been around for a long time. I bought these 3 years before the pandemic, so it's been a long time. They're a little dirty, but I've never had to change the blades on this tool, this hand edge planer, over that time, and I've done a lot of edge banding with it. I don't know how many boxes of 250-foot rolls I've grown through on this. So let's get at it. Let's watch it, and you'll see how good this thing works. Let's take a look at some features of this edge planer from Virutx. You'll notice right here, there's an arrow here and an arrow here. That tells you which direction to run your piece across your shelving or when you're doing your trimming. So the way you see it right now, you can run it from the left to the right, so your piece would come through like this. But now you can turn it over like that and run it in the opposite direction, so you can run it from right to left or from left to right. That's a nice feature of this edge trimmer. Now also, you'll notice in here, there's a screw here and here, and they are the blades that you can remove. That's the final cut when you're doing a shelving. On the inside is the primary cut. So let's tip this over, slide it apart so you can see the inside. Now you're looking at the inside. These are the primary cutters here. So they can be removed, and you can clean junk off of it and the glue that may accumulate over time. Now I haven't replaced the blades on this set ever since I got it quite a few years ago, and they need it because when I push through to edge trim with it, it's a little hard to push, so I need to replace the blades. And you can actually see they are worn some. But nice features on this blade, easy to maintain, easy to clean, and since replacement blades are available, then it's certainly not a problem. It makes this an extremely useful tool. So there it is, put together, and now I'm going to start putting edge tape on these little pieces. I'm making a video upcoming on different European hinges, and so these are little sample doors that I'm making for doing those videos. And I'm rubbing the edge tape across the side of my work table. The reason I'm doing that is because more and more people are using scrapers to put their edge banding down, and I kind of like doing it that way. Although on longer pieces I still use the J-roller. So notice how it is here. I'm pushing kind of hard. That tells me I should change the blade. But it does a nice job of cutting and trimming it. It's just so smooth. So here we are doing the second of the two doors. I'm going to put the edge tape on there. Get it centered up. You can use this with material as thin as 5/8 and up to 3/4 of an inch thick. There we go. Actually up to 7/8 of an inch thick. There I trim the end off with that end snipper. And then grab the edge planer, trying to get lined up so you can see it better, and push it through, and it's trimmed perfectly. Nice job. Now, I'm doing this longer piece. The reason I'm doing that is to show you that I have to use the J-roller, partly. I love this Fastedge edge banding. So there I'm using the J-roller to get her down. There's the end nipper. I got that done. And now I'll grab the trimmer and slide that along. Excellent workpiece. I love that product. So Nathan, we did your kitchen a little over 5 years ago and put all these doors on with edge tape. And are you having any trouble with edge tape after 5 years?
No.
Well, good. So all the doors were edged, and all the cabinets have edging on it, and nothing is peeling after 5 years. I'd say that's a pretty good story for the quality of the edge tape. That's nice. Well, we did 14-inch deep cabinets in this kitchen. What does Marie think of that?
She loves it.
Well, I hope you found this video useful. And if you did, give her the thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.